Line a pan with aluminum foil. When I first heard about this trick, I couldn't believe it actually worked. But it has saved me both time and money. Start by covering the entire bottom and sides of the pan with foil to create a protective layer. Then, take a few small pieces of foil, shape them into balls about the size of a walnut, and place them in the pan. Fill the pan with water, cover it with a lid, and bring it to a boil. Now gather your tarnished cutlery with stubborn stains and water spots and drop them into the boiling water. Next, take a dishwasher tablet and only use its liquid part. Add a little vinegar, which helps dissolve buildup and has antibacterial properties. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to enhance the cleaning process and remove tough stains. Let everything boil for about 10 minutes so the ingredients can work their magic. Afterward, pour the water out and rinse the cutlery thoroughly under running water. Finally, dry them with a clean cloth, and that's it. Your cutlery will shine like new, completely free of stains, residue, and water spots. Place a ball of aluminum foil in the fridge, and you'll be surprised by the results. This trick is particularly useful for getting rid of a few unpleasant issues. Here's how to do it. First, take some aluminum foil and tear off 2 identical pieces. You'll need 2 amazing products that you definitely have at home: salt and coffee. Put a tablespoon of each product onto the foil and gently mix them together. Now, wrap the aluminum foil with the mixture inside into a ball. Do the same with the second piece of foil. Once you have the balls well formed, take a toothpick and make holes in them. This step is crucial. After you've done everything, place the aluminum balls in the fridge. Finally, let me tell you what they're for. Very often, various smells come from the food stored in the fridge. Sometimes these smells are not pleasant and can linger for quite a while. These balls help with that. The combination of salt and coffee neutralizes these odors. Additionally, they also serve as an insect repellent, keeping bugs that get into the fridge at bay.
Are you missing a battery for your remote control? You don't have to run to the store. In the kitchen, you have one thing that can replace the battery. Take aluminum foil and tear off a large piece. Then fold it into a small rectangle. Next, crumple it to create a cylinder. Make it roughly the same size as the battery. Insert it into the empty slot. The foil will complete the electrical circuit in the device. The remote will work powered by just one battery. Did you know about this?
This trick will save your jewelry. Silver accessories tend to tarnish over time, but there's an easy solution. Take a glass, line its bottom with aluminum foil, and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Place your jewelry inside, pour boiling water over it, and wait a few minutes. The result? Your silver shines like it's fresh from the jeweler, and your jewelry looks as good as new. Try this homemade method today. Place a bottle like this near your house, and your problem will disappear in no time. Its function will surprise you. This clever trick is indispensable. Just take an ordinary plastic bottle, like one that used to hold water or another drink. It should be a large one. You'll also need aluminum foil. Tear off a few strips and roll them into balls. Fill the bottle with water, leaving it more than half full. Then, drop a few of the aluminum balls into the water. Next, screw the cap onto the bottle with the balls inside. It might not look like much, but trust me, it works wonders. Place it near your house, preferably by the door. You can also put it against the side of the house. No stray animals will come near your home. The reflection of light off the water and foil, both during the day and at night, will deter animals. Stray dogs or cats will avoid your property. This method also works if you live in the countryside or near a forest, where deer or wild boars might pay you an unexpected visit. A bottle like this with water and foil balls is all you need to keep them away. All you need is aluminum foil in the dishwasher to avoid having to replace your appliance. Aluminum foil has many uses, not just for food packaging. It turns out it's also a great helper in tackling residue and dullness on dishes. Its anti-corrosive properties help restore shine, making glasses look like new. Just tear off a piece of foil, place it in the dishwasher basket, gently slipping it between the bars that hold the plates. Then, add your glasses and run the dishwasher as usual. Streaks, residue, and cloudy spots on glasses are common problems that ruin the clean effect. However, after the washing cycle is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. The glasses will be spotless, streak-free, and their shine will truly dazzle. Instead of spending time polishing, the aluminum foil will do it for you. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny glasses. Everyone will surely ask how you keep them in such great condition. Every morning, I wrap a roll of toilet paper in aluminum foil. It may look strange, but watch until the end. You'll start doing it too. Place a new toilet paper roll on aluminum foil with the shiny side facing out. Wrap the roll completely and cut off any excess foil. Then, twist one end to form a cylinder, creating a sturdy base. Now, remove the toilet paper from inside. This creates a disposable food container that holds heat well and doesn't need washing. It's perfect for packing breakfast for work.
This trick will make ironing much faster. Just spread aluminum foil on the ironing board. It's important to place it with the shiny side up. Then iron the clothing. The foil reflects heat from the board, which straightens both sides of the fabric. Just run the iron over a few times and you're done.
You don't have to replace it. Just do this. Here's how to fix your blender. Don't throw it away. A cheap and easy method will make it like new. It's worth knowing that this simple trick can keep your appliance in good condition for a long time. Aluminum foil can be our lifesaver when the blender stops working properly. Just tear a few sheets of aluminum foil into smaller pieces. Then, place them in the blender jar. Now, turn on the appliance and blend the small pieces of aluminum foil. It's best to use a low speed. See the shavings that form during the sharpening process. After a moment, remove the blended foil from the blender. You can now check the blades. They will be like new. The blender will once again allow you to prepare juices, drinks, and all other products. It turns out that this solution is perfect, and there's no need to resort to replacing the entire appliance. This way, the device will serve you for a long time.
Nie musisz go wymieniać, wystarczy, że zrobisz to. Tak naprawisz swój blender. Nie wyrzucaj go. Tanim i łatwym sposobem będzie jak nowy. Warto wiedzieć, że ten prosty patent pozwala utrzymać urządzenie w dobrej kondycji przez długi czas. Folia aluminiowa może okazać się naszym kołem ratunkowym, kiedy blender przestaje spełniać swoje funkcje. Wystarczy, że porwiesz kilka arkuszy folii aluminiowej na mniejsze kawałki. Następnie umieść je w kielichu blendera. Teraz włącz urządzenie i zblenduj małe kawałki folii aluminiowej, najlepiej na niskich obrotach. Zobacz, jakie wiórki powstały podczas ostrzenia. Po chwili wyjmij zblendowaną folię z blendera. Możesz teraz sprawdzić ostrza, będą jak nowe. Blender znów pozwoli Ci na przyrządzanie soków, napojów i wszelkich innych produktów. Okazuje się, że to rozwiązanie jest perfekcyjne i nie trzeba uciekać się do wymiany całego urządzenia. Dzięki temu sprzęt będzie służył Wam jeszcze długo,